I missed a couple of rollers. I mean, I hit them. Wow! There is some sweet stuff here. No doubt. Get out and ride it. Well, greetings, peoples, folks, and space aliens. Here I am at Willow State Park. And yes, all new trails are open now. So we're going to explore that in probably a two-part episode. And you guys are like, I want to go there in the spring because it's like February right now. So anyways, we're heading up there now. I don't know what direction I'm going to go. I think I'm going to go left and up the whole loop and come down through the jump line. I am on my way for the full loop. In these tight switchbacks, I had to walk them because I was a little too loose. Some of it's damp, some of it's dry and loose. So I apologize in advance. My camera settings on the GoPro were a little bit off for some reason, so these videos look a little goofy. Also, I'm going to compare these videos with the videos I took on these first trails back in, was it June, July, August, somewhere in there? So you'll just see a little bit of difference there as well, too. So enjoy. Oh, that's a big one. I just really do not know where I'm going. Oh, well, kind of a lazy trail system. It's fun so far. Just compare this part to the other part because now it's fall. And I know I filmed that part earlier. Or maybe it was this part here. I don't know. But lots of gear shifting and dropper seat post action. Now, that's what I anticipate today, no doubt. But they have camping here, like lots of camping and other hiking trails. So I'm really not sure what to expect here. I have a feeling I took the wrong turn. Wow. Well, there's a jump lane. Yeah, really. Just for that, I would do this trail again. So this is the Black Diamond. I'm going to skip it. I'm going to go for the new stuff, which is right over here from the trail map sign. So I'm going to take the traverse up, around, in and across. And then these guys are going to pass me, more than likely. Oh, there's a vehicle up here. So they have a little thing right here that says that it's not completely done yet. I'm not going to let that guy go. He was on an all-terrain thing. So this is actually a two-way, which is why it's so freaking wide. Super loose right there behind me. See the hill I came up right there. I dove into the woods, and now we've got switchbacks. We're climbing a hill. Oh boy. Guess what, people, folks, and space aliens? Pine trees. Lovely pine trees. This is quaint. I like it. Besides the pine trees, they gotta have some lumberjacks out here in the woods. You know, like some fake ones. That's what this place needs. It looks like a logging camp. Hey, need to get some lumberjacks out here in the woods. Looks like a logging camp right there. It's like, oh, that's pretty cool.
Look at that on the map.
I was at Kinney last week, and they have maps like that all through the system. I'm like, oh, that is awesome. Every place needs to do that.
Well, getting them up as fast as we can. We're, you know, like most organizations, pretty short on volunteers.
I would come up and volunteer. I'm in Red Wing. If you're doing easy stuff like this, because I do have some chest and back issues right now. But I would definitely, I wanted to come and volunteer, but I was off work for a while, and then. Here's the blue trail. This is Howling Coyote. Howling Coyote. I can't talk. And there's one guy on a hardtail behind me. Oh yeah! That was nice. Rock stacking. I'm hoping I hit some of that on the way downhill. He says he hasn't been here yet either, so. There's like nobody back here. What the heck, people? Brand new trail? Why are you sitting at home on your butt? I could be doing that. I should be doing that, honestly. I feel full of aches today. But I'm still here. Decided, you know what? I'm doing it. I'm going. This is kind of like, I was going to say Lone Spur. Like Brophy. So, there's two trails there. I'm not sure which way to go. Oh, I'm confused. They got some rocks there. Well, you know, if I'm going the wrong way, I'm sorry. There's other guys right behind me now. Wow. I'm up and up. The reason I'm going this way is because I think those other features. Wow, I am going the right way. I was wondering where you went. It's like, which way do I go? I love these things. Woo! So, hit that with a little more speed. Yeah, if you want to go by me, you can.
Yeah.
Like I said, yeah, you too. It looks like fun.
Yeah. Wow.
So far. Oh boy. So his car's way down there. Oh, we got some flow. Flow like a river. Flow everywhere. I'm liking it so far. I know there's gonna be stuff on this. Let's see if I can hit it. First time. They weren't kidding about a great view up here. Okay, there's a rock. Whoa! I got a little bit off. There's a rock roll. Nobody's taking it. That's just like loose, unridden dirt behind that rock. I should have taken it. I should have been the first one. Wow. The only issue I see with this is weathering. But they got a lot of dirt on the sides here, so. Oh boy, our first features. Oh boy, here we go. Our first features. Those aren't so bad. One guy ahead of me, so there's three of us up here now. I'm kind of watching him because now I know what to kind of expect. Rolling rollers. It's like a bike park. It's like a mini bike park. I really want to try out the other trail now. Oh, immaculate turns with immaculate poop on them after them. All dried up, fortunately. It's just awesome up here. This is the best new Wisconsin trail so far. Oh my gosh! I kind of took that with caution, mainly because of the janky looking feature of it. Warning, warning, rock feature. So far I've ridden all the features. Should I try to hit one of these rock stacks, ride one of the rock stacks? Here we go. Woo, not. I missed a couple of rollers. I mean, I hit them. Wow. There is some sweet stuff here. No doubt. Get out and ride it. Okay, so that should be a lot better now. Have you ever been so excited about riding that you forgot to check your settings on your GoPro? Yeah, pretty much. I'm still on the Coyote howling. The howling Coyote. I'm expecting a downhill. I really don't know what to expect. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got air on that, so that's a jump. I cleared it kind of sloppily. I think I can rerun that though. Yep, I can rerun that one. Yeah, I totally cleared it, but I felt like it bottomed out at the rear. Easy jump to clear, and a good jump to practice on. Oh boy, do I want to do them again? No, I think I'm gonna keep going. Oh, another one. Fiddlesticks. Let you pass because I'm gonna hit this.
All right.
And I'm probably going slow. At least I'm not gonna hit this real hard. That really wasn't a jump. I didn't hit it quite hard enough. But it gives me some motion to go into whatever's next. Wow. This place is just packed with awesomeness. I have a feeling we're off the hill though. Oh, there's another one. Some of these look actually pretty easy. Others look like, oh my gosh, so I hit that at speed. Oh, another one. I saw it. This is a table. Oh yeah, that was smooth. I'm gonna get a picture of that one. They haven't put up the maps on this part yet, so I'm really not sure what to expect. Holy cow, this is buckets of awesome. Come here. If you're a camper, come here and camp overnight. Spend 2 days here. Oh, this is part of a feature, isn't it? Yeah. I was actually gonna try to hit it, but nope. Oh, hey, there they are. Awesome guys. Yeehaw. Well, greetings again. So is this the end of it?
Yeah, no, this is that's half of a loop. It hasn't been finished.
So you can go.
So that's your way back.
Oh,
To the bottom there.
there's more coming.
This goes out. This just goes out to the road.
Okay, so this is, if I want to go up to around the loop, this
Yep,
goes
that's
this.
the way you want to go. Yep.
Awesome, well, that was the best new trail here.
Yeah, that's really nice. It's a view.
I hit all the rollers and jumps, no problem.
This is going to be, we'll have a return loop here. Next year we'll build it.
Awesome, well, I can't wait for next year.
Yeah.
Hopefully I can get out here and help you build it.
Great.
Sweet. So that was half of a trail. Next half coming next year. Who wants to come ride it? Who wants to come build it? I might actually come out and try to do some work. We'll see.